Hey everyone, we've kicked off earnings season, so it's a good time to review where some of the sectors are trading. Let's kick off with the financial sector here today, which saw companies like Citigroup and JP Morgan and others kick off with earnings on Friday, this past Friday. What we are seeing when we look at the chart is something that I mentioned in a video a couple of weeks ago as we were anticipating this earnings season, is that the financials, or the XLF ETF here more specifically, has had a big run over the past few months right back into essentially what we could consider to be long-term resistance. Now, typically when you see a run into long-term resistance, we don't blow right past it, but we tend to consolidate. To give you an idea, so right now we don't think we're going to see a breakout here. It's probably more consolidation time, so we wouldn't chase financials. Speaking of one name, this is alma mater JP Morgan. Here too, you can see this had a really big run. There's actually really no resistance. This stock just blew right past everything, but all the more reason to think we're going to mean revert. So if we do the same analysis on JP Morgan, we can see the stock consolidated around previous resistance for like 2 days, and that doesn't even count. And then basically beelined higher into earnings from that point on by about 16%. As I'm recording this here, you can see the stock is pulling back. So all the more reason to think that some of these stocks, in this case including JP Morgan, might get to a point, in fact may have reached the point, where it sees further mean reversion to previous resistance, maybe a bit below it. Again, I just wouldn't chase these names right now. What we are seeing, particularly notable during earnings season, is computer algorithms coming into the market and doing their thing. I can share with you this, for example, here. This is in a stock that we like to follow. Ticker symbol is I believe IAG is this one. And you can see that little up arrow there. It says B2. What this is when we detect that new buy programs are coming into the market, or new sell programs for that matter. In this case, it was a buy program. With the help of our algorithm, we track other algorithms like big Wall Street institutions when they come into the market and buy, because they control, they have all the buying power, or of course when they sell. And so in this case, you can see the stock end up going from, in this case, it's a very low price stock, going from $3 straight up higher here to about $3.70. That's a very, very big move, by the way. If you have ever wondered about computer algorithms and how they might be something that you could use in your investing and trading activities, we would like to share with you how we do this, how we track the markets, or at least specifically algos, as they come into the market and out, and how we might be able to jump on the back of those moves. If that's something that interests you, make sure you join us in this week's research call, where we cover exactly that. The link for it is down below or on the next screen, and I look forward to seeing you there.